The Sunfire leaders stood at the edge of the canyon, staring at the scattered fires. "We cannot survive another winter alone," the chief declared, dropping a heavy stone. He pointed toward the horizon where dark storm clouds gathered. The next morning, runners carried carved wooden tokens to every camp. By noon, representatives arrived at the Great Oak, eyeing one another with suspicion. The Sunfire chief stepped forward, placing his hand on the oak's trunk. Instead, he simply emptied his grain sack onto the ground. A tense silence fell. Then, one by one, the other leaders stepped forward. For 3 days they debated and shouted under the branches, until a final agreement was carved into the bark. They named this territory Unity Land. Years later, their shared stone wall grew into a city, then a nation. Where once there was only fear, now stood bustling markets, proving a nation is built by the simple act of sharing a meal.